A jury recently found a Santa Maria police officer responsible for causing a crash that left 2 people injured, and now the city must pay out $400,000. KSBY's Melissa Newman is live in Santa Maria with that dash cam footage of the crash. Melissa?
Karina, the attorney representing the 2 people in the truck that the SMPD officer hit tells me he believes the officer was distracted in the moments leading up to the crash. He hopes more people will now pay attention out on the roads.
The passenger was bending over to pick up his sunglasses. He looks to the side and he looks out the side mirror and he says, "Here it comes."
It happens in less than 10 seconds. Dash camera video showing a Santa Maria police officer driving into the back of a truck in 2016, injuring the people inside. And
the officer was just distracted. I believe he was on the telephone distracted and he came up and crashed into the back of our client.
A city spokesperson says, however, that's not true, telling us, quote, the officer heard a call on his police radio regarding multiple suspects fleeing the scene of an attempted robbery. While responding to the call, the officer looked at suspect information displayed in his in-dash computer, and traffic ahead of him came to an unexpected stop. After the accident, the 2 people inside needed medical help and wanted the city to pay for the growing cost of medical bills.
It's a little more heightened when you're talking about the city or a government agency because there's more steps that you have to do in order to get into the courtroom. You just can't sue the government. You have to file claim forms and go through the claim form process before you can actually get into the courtroom and try to litigate it.
Now, 2 years later, a jury ruled in favor of the driver and passenger, giving them a settlement of over $400,000.
Each of them has to get a right shoulder surgery, which is to the tune of $25,000 each. When you add up their past economic losses that both of them sustained and their future economic losses that they're going to sustain as a result of one more operation, it comes to over $400,000.
A city spokesperson says this ruling is disappointing, telling us in part, quote, the city contested the extent of the plaintiff's personal injuries and was unable to reach a reasonable settlement with the plaintiffs. The city is disappointed with the verdict and is weighing its options, including seeking a new trial or appealing the judgment. Now, to make sure you stay alert out on the roads, you can put your phone on Do Not Disturb to make sure you don't get any notifications while driving. It's estimated that 25% of all fatal car crashes are caused by distracted driving. Live in Santa Maria, Melissa Newman, KSBY News.
Melissa, thank you. The amount will be divided between the 2 plaintiffs who already made a deal with the doctor so they could start receiving treatments for their injuries.